My video will give you instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that claims to be the message from Apple support or from Windows support. These pop-ups are totally deceptive, so do not trust whatever they tell you. They quote this fake Apple or Microsoft support number +1 838 386 8817. This is a fake number. It is not related to Apple or to Microsoft. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. Do not trust these deceptive messages. Just leave this page. We also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.